Hello everyone, how to simplify this very nice radical expression? Square root of 11 minus square root of 117. So let's simplify this. As square root of 11 minus square root of 117. 117 is the product of 9 and 13. When we multiply 9 with 13, we get 117. So in the next step, as if we have whole square root of a multiplied by b, this we can write as square root of a into square root of b. So by using this property here, the above expression will become as square root of 11 minus square root of 9 into square root of 13. In the next step, this is equal to square root of 11 minus square root of 9 is 3 into square root of 13. Now this we can write as square root of 11 minus 3 into square root 13 multiplying and dividing by 2. So after multiplying, this numerator will multiply with numerator and denominator will multiply with denominator. So this will become 2 into 11 minus 3 into square root 13 divided by 2. And this is equal to multiplying 2 inside 2 multiplied by 11 we get 22 minus 2 multiplied by 3 we get 6. We can write this as 2 multiplied by 3 into square root of 13 and this whole divided by 2. Now 22, we can write this 22 as 9 plus 13. 9 plus 13 we get 22, so in the place of 22 we will write 9 plus 13 minus 2 into 3 into square root of 13 and this whole divided by 2. Now as 9 we can write this as 3 squared. When we multiply 3 two times we get 9, and if we have a number that let n this is equal to, we can write this as square root of n squared. Because square root and square cancel out each other, we will left with n is equal to n. So we will write this 9 as 3 squared plus 13. We can write this 13 square root squared minus 2 into 3 into square root of 13 and this whole thing divided by 2. Now we have to use an algebraic identity, that if we have a squared plus b squared minus 2ab, we know that this is equal to a minus b whole squared. So here in the place of a we have 3 and b we have square root 13. So this will become whole square root of 3 squared plus square root of 13 squared minus 2 into 3 into 13 a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. This is equal to a minus b whole squared, where 3 is a and square root of 13 is b. This whole squared divide by 2. Now by using an algebraic property, that if we have square root of a divided by b, then this is equal to square root of a divided by square root of b. Using this property here, this will become square root of 3 minus square root 13 whole squared divided by square root of 2. and this is equal to this square root, and square cancel out each other, and we will left with 3 minus square root 13 divided by square root of 2. Now to rationalize this, multiplying and dividing with square root 2, so this will become numerator will multiply with numerator and denominator will multiply with denominator, so this will become 3 into square root 2 minus square root 13 into square root 2 divided by square root 2 into square root 2. This is equal to 3 into square root 2 minus this we can write as a whole square root of 13 multiplied by 2 divided by same we can write this as 2 multiplied by 2 whole squared. So finally we get 3 into square root 2 minus square root of 13 multiplied by 2, we get 26 divided by 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4, square root of 4 is equal to 2. So we have simplified this expression and we got 3 into square root 2 minus square root 26 divided by 2. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed the Math Click, please subscribe this.